here. And then with one click, you can just remove the signal through all the different levels here. Hi everyone, this is a series of my top 5 favorite actions of MES model and refactor, for short, MoRe. Have you ever wanted to remove a signal across several levels in your Simulink model? You need to remove all the imports, the outputs and the lines in all the different levels, which is quite time consuming and also error prone. And that is why this is my number 4, remove cross-hierarchy signals. So let's have a look at this model here, and we can see that this signal is not connected, and it's also not the right signal here in the subsystem. And to remove the signal, I need to go up all the different levels to its source and remove all the imports and outputs and so on. With MoRe, you can just go right-click on the signal line, choose MES MoRe, signal routing, and then choose Remove Cross-Hierarchy Signal Backward. Then you get here this dialog where you can choose how far you want to remove the signal, and in this case I want to remove the signal till the source, which is a lookup table here. And then with one click you can just remove the signal through all the different levels here. So this was my number 4. You missed number 5? Then watch the previous video.